Hi everyone, welcome to the second section of this lesson, which is the continuation of managing Ansible facts and creating Ansible custom facts. So in this lesson, we're going to create Ansible custom facts. Custom facts are the Ansible facts that are created by users, and these facts are not available by default. These facts can be stored locally on the managed nodes. So let's see how to create a custom facts file. To create a custom fact, the directory etc ansible fact.d must be created on the Ansible control node or on the managed nodes, and the custom fact file must have the .fact extension. So let's create a custom fact for the httpd package, and we can do that on the hqsdev1.technic.com. So I'm just going to SSH to hqsdev1.technic.com. So I'm in this server, so I can create a directory and say make directory etc ansible facts.d. So in this directory, I'm going to create the fact file for the httpd package. So I'm going to say vim etc ansible fact.d. So I'm going to call this httpd.fact. Don't forget it has to have the extension .fact. And like I said, when you're creating a custom fact file, you can do this using the INI data structure or the JSON data structure. We cannot use the YAML data structure to create a custom fact file. So we're going to be using the INI syntax in this case. So this is going to be basic, and package is going to be httpd. Service is going to httpd. State is going to be started, and enabled is going to be true. So I can save this file now. So let's go back to the control node and confirm that this fact actually exists. So I'm going to exit out of this node, and here on the control node I can do Ansible hqsdev1.technic.com. I'm going to use the setup module. So let me pipe this to this. No host matched. There is an issue here. Am I in Ansible directory here? Okay, I can see where the issue is. There is a mistake in the spelling. It's double ED and not single ED. So it's taking its time to gather the facts. Alright, so we can see some facts here. Let's see if we can see the new facts we just created on hqsdev1. Okay, so let's search for Ansible_local. Okay, so you can see the facts that we've created. Wow, error. Just going to restart this. Alright, so you can see the facts that we've created here. The local fact, the HTTPD, basic, enabled, true, and you can see that it's being displayed in JSON format. What we're going to do now is to use a playbook with this custom fact that we have created. So let's just create another playbook. So let's call this playbook my sixth playbook.yml. So here I'm going to be having the name of the play, install HTTPD, and the host is EX294.technid.com, and the task is, I'm going to give it a task name. I can also say install HTTPD. We're going to use the YUM module to do this, and the name here is going to be the fact. So this is going to be Ansible. So it's like I said, fact is just some form of variable. So this is fact. We're using it as variable. So this is going to be Ansible underscore local HTTPD this is going to be basic, and here we're going to have a package. So I'm going to close this package. So here I'm going to have state present supposed to close here this way. Oh, we're not using the double, it's supposed to be double here. Okay, so this is fine. If I wish, I can also start and enable the HTTPD package. But let's stop at this, and then let's do our playbook syntax check. So this is fine. Let's run the playbook. We should have it to be all green because we already have the HTTPD package installed on hksdev1.technic.com. So it's trying to install the package using the facts. Alright, so like I said, we should have it all green, so this is fine. And this is how you can create your custom fact, and this is how you can also use your custom fact in the playbook. You can also check the documentation guide. Like I said, I'll be dropping the link to this particular lesson in the description box below. You can see how we use this custom file to start and enable the HTTPD service. So let's talk about magic variables. So magic variables are the special variables in Ansible, and these variables cannot be set by a user. It is owned by Ansible by default, and magic variables is also useful, and there are lots of magic variables. if you click this link, you will see the magic variables. We have a lot of them, but the most common ones are the host vars, the group underscore names, the inventory host name. So this is just to show you the inventory host names, and as we go on in this course, we're also going to be using this magic variables. And we've also used the magic variables to write a playbook and run a playbook, so you can check the documentation guide. So this is where we're going to stop as regards facts, managing facts in Ansible. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Bye for now.